All right, guys, we're going to try and simplify the expression on these. So there's no multiplication here. This is just adding and subtracting. When you're adding between the two parentheses, it actually is a little bit easier because you're just literally taking the signs over here as they are. You don't need to switch anything. So we're just combining like terms. Now, when we combine, we don't change the exponent, and you have to add the same exponent to combine. So 3x squared and 2x squared combine to be 5x squared. You can't combine an x squared with an x. You can't combine an x squared or an x with a whole number. Okay, so only the x squared can go with the x squareds. 5x and negative 7x combine to be negative 2x, and 1 and negative 8 combine to be negative 7. I try not to say add or subtract here because that's really only done when you do it over an equal sign. In this case, we're not doing it over an equal sign. We're just combining like terms. In the second one, whenever you have a negative, the negative needs to be distributed to each term. So this becomes negative 11x squared. This becomes negative 13x. And a negative becomes a positive 6. So 16x squared and negative 11x squared is 5x squared. Negative 9x and negative 13x is negative 22x. And a negative 10 and a positive 6 is a negative 4. So we get 5x squared minus 22x minus 4. The last one we're going to distribute. We distribute the 3 through here, 9x minus 15. We distribute the negative 4 through here, negative 8x and negative 28. And we finish by combining like terms. You always have to combine your like terms. 9x and negative 8x is x. Negative 15 and negative 28 is negative 43.